No, I'm gonna make some After Earth Arcade broom handles. We're gonna call them hood proppers. Let me know, let me know. It's a $1 million idea. What up world, it's BK here. Day 9 of Trash to Track. The plan on getting done today is scraping off the old gasket, as well as reinstalling this and cleaning up anything we can that's exposed while it's exposed. Part of me feels like we haven't done much, and then the other part's like, man, this looks completely different. Especially now that we've knocked off some of the rust over there. It's not like a giant hole, which makes me very happy. Yeah. Now you're steering with power. Good idea just to take a break and have some lunch. I got a cheese and salami sandwich with avocado, mayonnaise, and pickles. I hope your day's going well, and if not, cheers to better days. If I'm ever having a bad day, I like to just start doing something, and when those like intrusive thoughts come in where they're like, oh, you can't do it, you're worthless, you're not good enough, I just do something that I know that I've done before. I used to experience a lot of, I can't do it because I'm too stupid, or I don't have the resources, or I'm not capable. And all of those things are necessary. You need to be capable, and you need to have resources, and you need to, for anything you do. And what took me a long time to understand is to figure out the core of what I wanted and then build around that. You know, like ZZ isn't a FC or an S13 or an FD or a GTR or any of these like JDM legends, but ZZ is a beautiful car that needs a lot of love and work. And I look at this car as a dungeon. The more I work on it and the more I explore it, the more battles we encounter and the more things we fight. The whole reason I wanted to start filming and sharing my progression and my leveling up is I want other people who feel incapable or stupid or just pushed aside to do the things that scare them and to keep striving to better yourself. Self-love is not easy, and it's not something that everybody can obtain, but self-development and progression is. For me, I just want to build myself into the image of that person that I have in my mind. And it took me watching other people to want to start this journey. Anyways, I mean it. You're awesome. Keep killing it. And let's get back to work. Wanted to do a before. It's been about an hour and it feels like I haven't made any progress. If anything, I ruined it. Huge gouge here. Well, it's been another hour and yeah, I've totaled this thing, completely ruined it. Just gonna keep at it. Well, it's been all day, so this is after. I did not expect taking off that gasket to take all day. I'm sure there's better techniques, and if you know them, please let me know. I ended up getting the best results out of the little razor blade. I also noticed that I kept gouging into it, and I'm pretty sure that should be a very flat surface, and we weren't able to get all the gasket off. I hope you enjoy hanging out with ZZ and I, and if you do, please give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow.